This is an Invicta diver style clock. Like these a lot. So I'm going to give it a quick slice with my Usavivi knife I got recently, which is phenomenally sharp, and my new EDC. And open this up. Got a packing slip. And the original box is there. Pro Diver. This is a 14-inch clock. Quartz movement. Pretty cool. Raised indices, an actual item on the markers and the hands. Which I think is pretty cool. And it's a root beer style split bezel diver, and it's pretty. Take a peek. Definitely a pretty clock. If you like watches like me, kind of scratches that itch. I've got another one coming. It's actually a Marvel Deadpool diver clock. We'll do an unboxing on that as well. All right, see you in the next video.